welcome to the Not Too Shabby November Inspiration Hop and Giveaway. I'm so excited to show you this month's brand new releases from Not Too Shabby. We've got some incredible products lined up that I think you're going to love, and one lucky winner will receive a $25 gift certificate to the Not Too Shabby shop. Before we go any further, here's how to enter our giveaway. Simply click on the link in the description box to enter for a chance to win a $25 gift card to the shop. Entries are open until November 16th at 11:59 p.m. So don't miss out. The lucky winner will be announced on the Not Too Shabby community tab. So make sure you subscribe and ring that bell to be notified as soon as that post goes live. You'll get a ton of ideas to help inspire your next project. Each video in this hop is part of a playlist linked below. Be sure to check out the full playlist to see everyone's creativity in action and to leave some love on each video. To make it easy to find these videos, we're all using the hashtag N2S November 24. So let's dive into the November products. The design team and I have created a ton of projects to get you inspired. So hop to each video and check it all out. So each of our subscriptions has something special for all of our paper crafters. Whether you're a card maker, journaler, or just love creating unique designs, we have something for everyone. This is our paper pad club of the month. You get 2 paper pads, and you can opt in for coordinating ephemera. So this month we have Warm Winter Wishes and Christmas Plaids number 2. Gorgeous papers, and the ephemera is oh so cute. Here are 2 cards I created using the paper pads itself. I did use some elements from the Easy Wonder dies. That cute little sentiment Hugs is from Easy Wonder dies add-on number 1. And these cute little bunnies are inside the paper pad. So inside this Warm Winter Wishes paper pad, you get 4 sheets of these adorable little bunnies. I created 3 tags using the paper pads plus the add-on ephemera. Warm Winter Friends. You are able to purchase that Warm Winter Friends ephemera individually on the website. You can join any of our clubs and save 18% off, or purchase them as a one-time purchase. Our stamp of the month is this really cute Warm Winter Wishes little set. Features these cute little characters, very cute hot cocoa sentiments. I created this cute little card here, so adorable. These 2 collections here are available on the website. They are running low. I'm not sure if I'll be able to restock this before Christmas. So this is Frosted Bliss, and it's coordinating ephemera. And then we have Snowy Pastels, and it's coordinating ephemera. Let's take a look at the cards that I created. This is from Frosted Bliss. So we have 2 beautiful cards, and these sentiments are from the box of the month, which is currently sold out. I do have a wait list in the description box if you're interested. And this is from the Snowy Pastels. Love how soft these colors are. So cute. Our Better Than Black Friday sale is coming up. I do have an early access pass link in the description box. If you want to get on that list, you will be able to shop our Black Friday deals a day early. So all of the information is in the description box. Thank you so much for hopping along with us. Good luck on the giveaway. Don't forget to give everyone a little bit of love, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys!